No, I'm talking about are these empty?
Yeah.
If they empty, you can put them in the garage. If they got stuff in them,
Oh,
put them. They are?
Yeah.
Oh, you can put them in the garage then. Yeah. If they empty, put them in the garage because I don't need them. You just throw them away. But everything else go in the van. Sir.
Yes, I got you.
Okay.
Boss.
Just checking.
Boss, listen to me. Leave this one here. What about this stuff that's got? They got a little.
Keep that here.
Hold on. Let's get all that.
That is for the carpet here, actually.
Oh, when you coming. Now you're coming down 4 steps.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. You can take them, but
Put these where?
you just put them on the porch.
So tell me that again. You got another house that fast? How many? Because you just told me we just loaded all this stuff up, and then you said we're gonna unload it at the other house.
Yeah.
And I'm like, y'all doing some major stuff over here. You got a house that fast?
It's just a house.
That's flipping.
He got like 10 houses. He rich.
Oh shit! Why you ain't take us under your wing?
He won't even let a nigga borrow no money.
Oh.
I tried to borrow $10. That nigga said, you better ask your wife. No, I'm just joking. Nah.
I gotta be back home.
Oh my God.
By 1 o'clock. I got a doctor's appointment.
Why didn't you say that before I pick you up? It's 11:30 now.
Well,
we on our way to the other house. By the time we leave there, it's gonna be 12.
And then we finish
12:30.
that.
Then I gotta go to the store, get some bleach. How you gonna be back by 1?
The doctor's office is right here at 12 a mile.
Don't matter, nigga. That's 30 minutes away.
Where we at?
Detroit.
All I gotta do is just go in there.
You always say, well, ain't gonna take that long.
She just called me and said, can you come in?
She said, nah, I'm busy.
I think I'm gonna call her back and see, because the appointment was at 3:30.
Yeah, keep it at 3:30.
Yeah. This is where the new house at?
Yeah. Are you scared or something?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. Oh, there go a good shovel. We need that right there. Oh, this is you. This is it?
Yeah.
This is nice. Now this is something that you can dance with.
I can dance.
Yeah, you can dance with this. Oh, Boogie, this is nice.
Where my key at? Oh, I got it.
Nice.
Who put that? Just put it all right there. Let's get it.
One more time. Be back to this sawing down trees and talking about that $20 an hour. I just saw the physical labor on this was worth $20, but I can't say nothing.
You gotta get it down to the nitty gritty, bro. 21. I'm giving you a raise. 21. 21.
So
21.50. 21.50. My guy.
That's physical labor.
He get 10. Detroit finally blessed me with their presence and cut my water on. My guy did all the plumbing, but let's see what happens when the water cut on. Oh, looky here. Ain't that something? No big deal though. The drain works. Have no fear. Jerry to the rescue. But where you go? Come on. Water down here.
You got a swimming pool downstairs or what?
Got a new pool down here. Got a new pool. This leaks too.
What?
The laundry tub leaks a little bit, but this pours out when I turn the water on. And hot water tank needs to be lit. I think that's it. The P-trap. But these, he already told you about these, right? He said these got to be 18 inches above. But that's not really nothing imperative at the moment. The bigger issue is the water, so I can, so I can get the so I can clean up, so I can get some pictures and put it on the market. You feel me?
Let me get some my letter because I'm too short.
You really?
And what did you was saying about the P-trap from the bathroom?
Oh, it just don't drain. I don't know.
It doesn't drain.
It's water.
It's clogged right there. I can see it from here.
How you see it from here?
Oh, because my glasses there matching.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
The problem is right there.
Oh, no biggie. All right.
Hey, if I had time, I would go up there on a job. Like one of these days, I want to, like, when I hire somebody to do something, I want to go up there and work with them.
I would love to see that.
I would.
I don't think you would. Have you ever had a job? Oh yeah, manager, Wendy's. I remember. Oh, I thought you was the manager. Who was the manager, Rick?
No, he wasn't the manager, but he
I
worked
thought
there.
you was the manager. Maybe I
He
don't
the
know.
one got me. He the one got me the job there when I got out. But
It's a testament. You can go work at Wendy's and then be a millionaire one day. You know what I'm saying?
and then lose it.
Well, I mean, we all can lose it.
It's just like putting a puzzle together. But
It's easy. You just got to start from the bottom and work your way up. That's simple.
Yeah.
I can do that. I can show you.
Everything.
I pretty much can. I can do damn near everything except have a baby. Damn near.
What? That's about the only thing you can do. I mean,
No, have a baby. Have a
Make a
baby.
baby.
I'm talking. I can make plenty of babies. I'm talking about have a baby. I can do anything but have a baby.
Oh man.
For real, nigga. I can do heart surgery, honestly. Give me a YouTube video on it. I'm in there.
Dessert.
Nice. Looks like I did it. Okay.
Hey, that tub is not good.
For real? What's wrong with it? You said the toilet?
Yeah.
What's wrong with it? It won't flush?
That flush.
What's the deal?
It doesn't hold the water.
It don't hold water? Oh, it's cracked?
Yeah.
If it's not,
Like that is supposed to stop.
yeah,
What is it, toilet kit?
yeah, I need a kit. Cause if it was leaking, I mean, if it was whole, it would be on the floor. I don't see nothing leaking, so it just probably need a kit, which ain't no big deal. I change them out at home, so. But it's gonna keep running though, huh?
Yeah.
You can't shut it off from here.
Yeah, from down there. Yeah. But other than that, ain't no leaks or nothing. Is it on? Yeah, you'd have a headache.
I
No.
like that. I like the water base. The water base ain't bad.
And it dry fast.
Yeah, I would just.